August afternoon, I can picture you walking with your father at your side. In the summer heat, California speaks softly like she's making up her mind. As I stand beside you, I say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving you. Through your shining eyes, sweet like Jeffrey Pines, I pretended I could read your thoughts. Now it's just the truth. Seems our hearts are fused, soldered like the gold your sister brought. And how am I lucky enough to say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving you, loving you, loving you, loving you, loving you, loving you.
Go Big Red!
Loving you. And I say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving you.
Jeremiah 31:3, love yesterday, today, and forever. Romans 12:10, be devoted to one another in love, honor one another above yourselves. Genesis 24:64, so she became his wife and he loved her.
I promise to be there through thick and thin, standing next to you for the rest of our lives. Today you become my wife, my better half, and my forever best friend. I love you.
I promise you that you will always have a shelter in my arms and a home in my heart on all the good days, the bad days, and every ordinary day in between. I love you and I can't wait for a lifetime by your side. It is my greatest honor to pronounce you for the first time husband and wife. Brooke, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Sabota.
She's Alabama, a Dixieland delight, kissing me like molasses, slow and sweet, just right. She's an endless all year summer, yeah, sunshine 365. When she forgets the punchline, it still gets me every time. 'Cause I love every little thing about her love. And just a little ain't enough. I gotta get a little more of what she does. I'm all hung up, 'cause I love every little thing about her love. Yeah, she's Seattle and Sonoma, runs on coffee and red wine. Easy like Sunday morning, wild like Saturday night. She's 24 karat goodness, and angels all I see. She dresses up for everything, but she only dressed down for me. And I love every little thing about her love. And just a little ain't enough. I gotta get a little more of what she does. I'm all hung up, 'cause I love every little thing about her love. Yeah. Baby, she's Alabama, my Dixieland delight. She's everybody's dream girl, but she